Welcome guys. Today video I'm going to show you how to swap any coin with the help of pancakeswap. First of all, you have to get your trust wallet ready. If you don't have it, kindly go on Play Store, download the trust wallet, register it, and save your private key because it's very important. And if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I posted a new video. Let's grow the channel together. And if you are new to this channel, this is Plus FS Trading Guide, where we talk about how to make money online, especially in the space of cryptocurrency. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go straight to your Trust wallet. Okay, this is my Trust wallet. So you see pancakeswap, I've been using it. So if you have not used it before, so you have to just scroll down. If you scroll down, you see pancakeswap. Click on it. So it's notice this place. So click on it. Or click on it, allow it to load. So okay. See on connect. Connect your wallet. Allow it to load. So there is it. The first one, this one that is BNB, is the one that you are swapping from BNB to cake. But if you are swapping from cake to BNB, you have to click on this arrow. So the cake will go up. You are swapping from cake to BNB. And this is the network fee. So let's say click on this setting. Click on this setting. It says standard, fast, instant. So let's use fast. Let's see. Okay, you go back. This particular one I don't have any BNB here. I'm just using it for the purpose of this training. So if you want to add any coin, if you don't want to swap cake, want to swap let me see any coin of your choice. You just click on it or you just type the name here. Let me say Shiba. Shiba. And if okay, so let me use Santos. Okay. And if you are looking for any coin and the coin is not here, what you have to do, you have to just click on it. See this place that they write search name or paste contract address. You go back to coin market cap, copy the contract address, come back and paste it here. The coin will show. So that is it. And you have to remember, always connect it to smart change. Connect it to smart change for you to have a very faster network. So that is it.